Welcome back to another video. Today we have the M12 fuel driven to outperform. We got the 3/8 Ratchet 2557-20. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. I just want to give a big shout out to my brother for lending us these tools. These tools are brand new. I believe this one's only been used once in a small job, but it's completely brand new. As you guys see, it's still in the box because he likes to keep his tools organized and looking like new. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So we got tool only, battery and charger sold separately, not included. Specifications here, we got anvil type 3/8 square, says max torque 55 pounds, RPM 0 to 200. Length and weight, we got length 11.9 inches, and then weight we got 2.4 pounds. It says includes 3/8 ratchet. Alright, let's just unbox this real quick. Like I said, this is already open. This item's only used once, so we'll open it up, see how this looks like out of the box. So right out of the box, you got a lot of cardboard, and then you got nothing else, just some more cardboard in there. You got a nice poster with all the tools. You got some instructions, and then we got the ratchet itself, the tool. Alright, so as you guys see, it's pretty new. It's only, like I said, it's only been used once. It's actually, it feels pretty solid. It does have a lock in here. I noticed that. It does have a lock in case you're going to put this in your toolbox. You're going to be dropping it, or if you're going to be, cranking it up on the bottom of the engine bay in a tight space, and you don't want this this thing to go off. Actually, this is one thing I like about this. I know some of them are a little loose from here. This one's actually not a bad trigger. As you guys see, it's not that loose. There's only one downside about this. This does get caught, in wires, loose wires and stuff like that, or smaller hoses. It does have an LED work light there. We got a nice rubber grip here. All of this black part is rubber. We got battery fuel gauge there. We got Milwaukee fuel. Got fuel brushless here on the back. You got the forward and reverse. Obviously, this is really smooth. I really like this. You got a nice thick casing there with metal, so it's all metal. And then we have a nice clean square there, 3/8 square. Like I said, it does have a lock. And let's see what it says here. It says item number or cat number 2557-20. We got serial number there, 12 volts, 0 to 200 RPM. 3/8 ratchet, Milwaukee tool, Brookfield, Wyoming, professionally made in China by Milwaukee tool. We got the connectors on the back. Obviously, we got two different connections. That's the way it looks on from the back there. And then let's try a battery, see how it fits. We got a 3 amp hour battery, so that's the way it fits. Fits really nice and snug. Let's try a socket, see how well it fits. Fits really nice. Got a nice variable speed trigger. Got a fuel gauge there. Obviously, it lights up. So let's go ahead and take this outside and try it out. Feels really smooth. Feels really nice on the hand now that I used it a few times here. And it's pretty quick actually. It's not slow at all. It's pretty quick. It has a lot of torque. I don't know exactly how much torque. I will be doing a versus video with the Hercules Ratchet, maybe next week or a few days down. Hopefully I can get that out, and that's when I will be doing some torque measurements on these ratchets. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon, so you guys could see those videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.